One of the most fundamental relationships we have with Allah is that of asking Him things such as our matters of religion, in our guidance in committing to the right way, in spiritual matters for our iman. We need Allah's help for everything in life. When we get stuck in impossible situations that nobody else understands, the only one who understands is you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You even try to explain it to somebody else. They don't get it, they don't understand it. Only Allah the Almighty can know what it is that you are going through and the trouble that it's causing you. And so all of us are in one state or another in some kind of difficulty. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Himself described the reality of human beings. We created the human being in exhaustive labor, either you were mentally exhausted or emotionally. When you have a problem, you can't find it. You try many solutions, but no solution works. So every problem can be solved by the Creator. Ask to Him to solve our problems. Ask to Him for the things that we need. Ask to Him that we want from Him. So the most important thing is that you and I need to be able to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala successfully whatever we want. When we ask in a way that you are truly hopeful that Allah the Almighty will respond to what you were asking for, there are some things that have to be in place. And one of the most important things that the Quran keeps highlighting that has to be in place is that you and I have to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive us first. You ask Him anything that you want or I want. We need to be able to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that when you ask for forgiveness, there is nothing that I don't give you. There are some things that keep you and me from seeking Allah's forgiveness. It has to do with expectation. But some people deep in their mind have internalized that I have done way too much messed up stuff. Allah probably does not like me very much. Some people even go as far as to say that Allah hates me, Allah does not like me, Allah is angry with me, I have done a lot of bad things, Allah is not going to accept my prayers, Allah is not going to accept my du'as. So my beautiful people, it's not like that. The moment you ask forgiveness, Allah is going to forgive you. When you just ask forgiveness, Allah will not only give you forgiveness, Allah will open up the world for you. So never lose your hope in Allah the Almighty, no matter how much you have done bad things in your life. Never ever think that Allah is not going to respond to your prayers and du'as. Losing hope in Allah is Shaitan's trait. Satan comes and takes advantage of the hopelessness of people. Always remember, Allah the Almighty has opened the door of repentance. Keep asking to Allah. He will forgive you. Allah loves you a lot. So never lose your hope in Allah. Shaitan wants you to get disconnected with Allah, but we have to not do what Satan wants. Always have faith in Allah. Trust Him. Connect with Him. Keep asking to Him. Inshallah, everything will fall into a place.